If you find yourself locked out of your eBay account and cannot access it due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the eBay sign-in page. Go to the eBay website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your username or email address associated with your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Choose your recovery method. You will be presented with different recovery options. Since you do not have access to verification codes, select the option to receive a password reset link via email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from eBay. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the prompts to create a new password for your eBay account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance. Following these steps should help you regain access to your account smoothly.